Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey. Leave my shoes alone,
Careful
please.
with your feet.
Hey.
And this is collecting eggs. I gotta fix that before I go.
Yeah, you do. I can't even get close.
Okay, I'll get it.
Excuse me.
Oh, that's why it won't.
Even when there is no stuff. Excuse me. Leave my shoes alone. That's it. Ow! Guys. Actually, they're not bad today at all.